Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for BAL. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, right around 62.7. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low, which is right around 4.4. Now, we also notice another key level right here. So we can plot that in and we see it's right around 9.7. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So, here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can look at this monthly zone and plot it better on the weekly chart. As we see price comes down, hit, and reverse, this level acting as support. We see it acting as support here, and as resistance from these long wicks. Now we can also plot in a key level right here, right around 34. Now we see price come up, hit, reverse, as it breaks through. Our resistance now acts as support, and as we fall back below, we now act as resistance, which is obvious to see here on the weekly chart. Now, we also notice a weekly zone right here. Where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart, or the weekly chart, sorry. Now, we also notice a key level here, where we have reactions to the level multiple times. And we can say our most recent level of support was right here. Right around 5.2. This level here is right around 7.5. And our above level here is right around 16.5 and 18.2. As we notice all the reactions to these key levels. So, these are all of the monthly and weekly key levels plotted on BAL. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.